There is fire on the mountain, and nobody seems to be on the run. Oh, there is fire on the mountain top, and no one.
Over the years, fire outbreaks like this has claimed lives and properties worth of billions of naira. But do you know that with the latest technology, these fire outbreaks can be curtailed to the barest minimum? With Technokontrol, an anti-combustion device, you can kill the fire before it kills you. Why watch your property burn or lose your life or those of your loved ones when you have the solution within your reach? Listen, do not leave your children at home without having Technokontrol in your combustible devices. For example, your gas cylinders, your stoves, generator, engine, or your car tank. People have been using it and they have been telling us about their testimonies.
My name is Adeusi Shamsidin Ola. I'm a civil servant. For almost 3 months now, I have been using the Technokontrol for my gas, and I can say it categorically that one of the major advantages of using the Technokontrol, particularly in gas, is that it provides me with psychological relief, such that when my wife and the children want to operate the gas, I don't have the phobia that is usually exhibited before the installation of the Technokontrol. In fact, I have been advising my friends and relatives who have children that operate gas to make sure that they buy into the idea of Technokontrol in their gas, because the advantage of it is that in the event of fire outbreak, which no one prays for, the family is safeguarded, such that the effect of the fire is extensively mitigated. Thank you, and may God bless you.
What are you waiting for? Install Technokontrol in your gas cylinders, your stoves, motorbikes, your car tanks, fuel tankers, and underground tanks at filling stations. And be rest assured of the safety of your life and properties.
There is fire on the mountain, and nobody seems to be on the run. Oh, there is fire on the mountain top, and no one is running. I wake up in the morning, tell you what I see on my TV screen.